At first glance, I was attracted by the appearance of this small fan. The weather is hot, so I always bring it with me wherever I go. Designed using turbine exhaust, paired with a silent high-speed motor. 3-degree adjustable wind speed. The wind is really strong, blowing away the scorching summer heat at any time. Don't be fooled by its small size. Built in 1,200 mAh batteries, paired with Type-C fast charge, it only takes 3 hours to fully charge. Fully charged ones satisfy the using for the whole day. Retro aesthetic appearance, beautiful and strong handle strap, compact in size and easy to carry.